Hello, welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss the chapter Comparing Quantities. We'll discuss the basic concepts and the examples given in the book and all the questions from the exercises. We'll discuss that in detail and solve it. Okay, so let us start now, and before starting, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. So let us start now. First, we'll start with what is meant by ratio. So we'll take the example from the text, from the NCERT text itself. There are 5 oranges and 20 apples. Okay. So what is the ratio of the number of oranges to apples? It is 5:20. You know what is meant by a ratio. So 5:20 is the ratio of number of oranges to number of apples, and you can simplify that 1:4. And what does that mean? For 4 apples there is 1 orange. So if there are 8 apples, there will be how many oranges? 2 oranges. Okay, so this is what is meant by ratio. Now, you can express this as fraction also. You can write this as 1/4 also. That is, there are 1/4 oranges compared to apples. Okay, understood? And if you are speaking in terms of apples, you can say that there are 4 times apples than oranges. Right? Now, we'll see how to compare quantities with the help of percentage. Okay. So, here, there are 5 oranges and 20 apples. That is 5 out of 25 fruits. How many fruits are there in total? 20 plus 5, right? So, 5 out of 25 fruits are oranges. Which means, how will you find the percentage of oranges? 5 by 25, that is the number of oranges by total number of fruits into, how will you do this? Just convert the denominator to 100. To convert denominator to 100, you have to multiply by 4, right? So multiply the numerator also by 4, because if you are multiplying by 4, it is like multiplying by 1. So there will be no change. If you multiply denominator by a number, then you have to multiply the numerator also by the same number. You know that, right? So 5 by 25 into 4 by 4. It is nothing but 20 by 100. That is, percentage of oranges is 20%. So you can write the percentage of oranges as 20%. Okay. Now we can find the percentage of apples. To find percentage of apples, we'll do the same method, that is 20 by 25 into 4 by 4. Right? So this is equal to 80 by 100. And what does that mean? 80% of the fruits are apples. Okay. So in 100, if there are 100 fruits, 80 will be apples and 20 will be oranges. That is the meaning of this. Okay. Now, we'll do by one other method, which is called Unitary Method. We'll see how to do that. Okay. We'll consider the same example. There are 5 oranges and 25 fruits are there. 20 apples also. Okay. So, to find the percentage of oranges, if there are 25 fruits, 5 are oranges. Right? So, if there is one fruit, how many oranges will be there? 5 by 25. So in 100, if there are 100 fruits, how many oranges will be there? 5 by 25 into 100. So this is equal to 25 will go in 100 4 times. So 5 into 4 is equal to 20%. So this is nothing but the unitary method. Unitary method means we are considering in terms of 1. Okay. So if there are 25 fruits, out of these 25 fruits, 5 are oranges. So if there is one fruit, then 5 by 25 will be oranges. So if there are 100 fruits, how many oranges will be there? 5 by 25 into 100. That is 25 will go in 100 4 times and 5 into 4 is 20%. So you can do by any of these methods if you are asked to find the percentage. Okay. Now we'll do example 1 from the text. A picnic is being planned in a school for class 7. Girls are 60% of the total number of students and are 18 in number. The picnic site is 55 km from the school and the transport company is charging at the rate of 12 rupees per kilometer. The total cost of refreshments will be 4280 rupees. You have to find the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys in the class. Cost per head if two teachers are also going with the class. If their first stop is at a place 22 km from the school, what percentage of the total distance of 55 km is this? What percent of the distance is left to be covered? So first we have to find the ratio of the number of girls to number of boys. Number of girls is given as 60% of the total number of students and it is given as 18, which means let x be the total number of students. So 60% of x is equal to 18, which means 60 by 100 of x is equal to 18. So x equal to 18 into 100 by 60, right? That is reciprocal of this. We have to multiply 18 by the reciprocal of this to find x. So x equal to 18 into 100 by 60. 6 will go in 18 3 times. 6 will go in 60 10 times. So this 0 will cancel and you will get this as 30. So the number of students is 30. Okay. So to find the ratio of the number of girls to number of boys. Number of girls is given as 18. What is the number of boys? 30 minus 18, which is equal to 12. So what is the ratio of number of girls to number of boys? 18 is to 12. And 6 will go in 18 3 times and 6 will go in 12 2 times. So what is the ratio? 3 is to 2 is the ratio of the number of girls to number of boys. Okay, understood? Now we have to find the cost per person. Given that the picnic site is 55 km away from the school and the transportation company is charging rupees 12 per kilometer. And the total cost of refreshments are rupees 4280. Okay, so we have to find the cost per person. So 55 kilometer. Picnic site is 55 kilometer away from the school. So you have to go towards the picnic site and come back. So how much kilometers will be there? 110. 55 into 2 is 110. And 110 into 12 is 220, then 110. So 1320 rupees. And 1320 plus 4280 cost of refreshment. So this is equal to 5600. So the total cost is 5600 rupees. And we know that there are 30 students and given that 2 teachers are going with these students. So there are 32 persons. Now we have to find the cost per person, that is 5600 by 32 is the cost per person and 4 8s are 32 and 7 8s are 56. So this is equal to 700 by 4 and 4 will go in 7 one time, then 3 remainder. 30 by 4 is 7, 2 remainder, 20 by 4 is 5. So we'll get this as 175 rupees per head. The cost per head is 175 rupees. Okay. Next is if they stop at 22 km, what percentage of the total distance of 55 km is this? What is it? It is 22 by 55 into 100. equal to, this will go, 11 will go in 22 2 times, 11 will go in 55 5 times, then 20. So this is equal to 40%. And what percentage is left? That is also the 60% is left. Okay, so you know how to find percentage, right? Now we'll proceed to exercise 8.1. Okay. First question is find the ratio of the following. Speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to speed of scooter 30 km per hour. So ratio is 15 is to 30, right? And that is equal to 15 will go in 15 one time, 15 will go in 30 two times. So 1 is to 2 is the ratio. Okay. Now 5 meter to 10 kilometer. 5 meter to 10 kilometer. Can we find the ratio just like this? No. We have to convert this to same unit. This is meter and this is kilometers. So to convert kilometer to meter, you have to multiply this by 1000. It is equal to, that is add 3 zeros, 10,000 meter. So 5 meter and 10,000 meter. What is the ratio? 5 is to 10, 0, 0, 0. And 5 will go in 5 one time. Then 5 will go in 10 two times. So this is equal to 2000. So what is the ratio? 1 is to 2000 is the ratio. Understood. Now next one, 50 paise to 5 rupees. 50 paise and 5 rupees is 500 paise. So 50 is to 500. You can cancel 1 0. Then 5 will go in 5 one time. 5 will go in 50 10 times. So what is the ratio? 1 is to 10. So this is easy, right? Now we will proceed to the next question. Now we have to convert these ratios to percentage. That is the question. So this can be written as 3 by 4 into 100. To convert to percentage, multiply by 100. 3 by 4 into 100 is 4 will go in 10, 2 then 2 remainder. 20 by 4 is 5. We know that 4 will go in 100 25 times. So 3 into 25 is 75. So 75% is the answer. Now next one is 2 by 3 into 100. This is equal to 200 by 3, which is equal to 20 by 3, 6. Then 2 remainder. Then again 20 by 3 is 6. 2 remainder. So writing this as mixed fraction, you will get 66 2 by 3 percentage. Okay. You can write in decimal also. You will get it as 66.66 percentage. You can write like this also. But this is the answer given in the text. 66 2 by 3 percentage. Okay. Next one is 72% of 25 are good in mathematics. How many are not good in mathematics? That is, out of 100, 72 are good in mathematics. Means, how many are not good in mathematics? 100 minus 72. So, that is equal to 28. So, you can write 28% are not good in mathematics. Okay. Next one is football team won 10 matches out of total number of matches they played. If their win percentage was 40, how many matches did they play in all? We know that 10 by the total number of matches into 100 is equal to this percentage, that is 40 percentage. So 10 by total we can consider it as x. So 10 by x into 100 is equal to 40, which means 1000 by x equal to 40. Now cross multiplying we will get 1000 is equal to 40 into x, which means x equal to 1000 by 40. And 0 0 will get cancelled. And 100 by 4 is 25. So the total number of matches they played is 25. Okay. Next question is, if Chameli had 600 rupees left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? So let us say that she had X rupees in the beginning and she spent 75% of X. That is, she had X rupees in the beginning and she spent 75% of this X. Then what is the money she had left with her? 600 rupees. Right? So we can calculate this. X minus 75 by 100 of X is equal to 600. So what is X? X minus this is 3 by 4. 25 will go in 75 3 times. 25 will go in 100 4 times. So this is 3 by 4x. X minus 3 by 4x equal to 600. Which means 4x minus 3x by 4 is equal to 600. That is 1 by 4x is equal to 600. So x equal to 600 into 4, which is equal to 2400 rupees. So she had 2400 rupees with her in the beginning. Okay, understood? Next is, if 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football and the remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like other games? The total number of people are 50 lakh. Find the exact number who like each type of game. 60% people in city like cricket, and given that 50 lakh total number of people are 50 lakh. So 60% like cricket out of this 50 lakh. Okay. 60% of these people like cricket. So into 60 by 100. So we'll get this as 30 lakh. Okay. So 30 lakh people like cricket. Next is 30% like football. So how many people like football? 50 lakh into 30 by 100. So this is equal to 15 lakh. Right? So the total number of people who like cricket and football is 45 lakh. Okay. Now what is the remaining number of people? It is 5 lakh. And next question is, what percent of the people like other games? Percent is 60 plus 30 is 90, and out of 100, 90% like other games. So what is the remaining? It is 10%. So we can write 10% of the people like other games. Okay. So with this we have completed exercise 8.1 from the chapter Comparing Quantities. And with this I am winding up this video, and I will be uploading the remaining section in the next videos. So stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class, and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you and bye.